Why study global cities? Globalization is spatial, which means globalization is spatial because it occurs in physical spaces. More people are driven out of city centers to make way for the new developments. So, unsa day pasabot ani? So, basically, ang globalization dili lang siya idea or online connection kay nahitabo gyud ni siya sa real places, especially sa cities. Like when new places, especially sa cities kanang nanay bag-o nga buildings, malls or business districts are developed. Usahay ang mga tao kay mapugos og balhin kay di ba kay kinahanglan ang lugar for development. Meaning changes in globalization makita gid siya physically sa city like construction, new companies and urban growth. Mao nang spatial siya kay connected siya sa actual connection og space. And second is globalization is spatial because what makes it move is the fact that it is based in places. Which means ani pud ni siya, globalization moves because of different places around the world connected to each other. Cities become centers of trade, business, and culture. In short, places ang nagpadagan sa globalization kay without cities or locations where businesses and people interact, dili mo dagan ang global connections. So every place has a role in the global system. The challenges of global cities. Global cities also have their undersides. They can be sites of great inequality and poverty as well as tremendous violence. Global cities create winners and losers. Denser settlement patterns yield energy savings. Apartment building, for example, are more efficient to heat and cool than detached suburban house. In cities with extensive public transportation systems, people tend to drive less and thereby cut carbon emissions. So bisan og kanang daghan og opportunities nga naagihapon ang inequality og ang poverty. So naay winners and losers sa city life. And then cities are also more energy efficient. For example, kay apartments. So di ba kung mag-apartment ta kay mas tipid og energy kaysa detached houses kay kanang shared spaces bitaw na sila. Then cities with good public transportations make people drive less, which helps reduce carbon emissions and pollution. Ang pasabot ani kay dili tanan cities parehas ka-organized or ka-dense like sa New York or Tokyo. Naay cities like Los Angeles nga urban sprawl, meaning nagkatag ang city area. So tungod ani ang mga tao kay need na nga mag-drive permi. So mao sa di siya ang rason ngano nga dako ang gasto sa gas o sasakyanan. Another problem is energy use. Maski gamay ra nga parts sa kalibutan ang cities, kani sila moy kanang mostly nagamit sa energy kay kanang daghan og buildings and businesses og mga tao or popularity. And tungod ani mosaka ang carbon emissions which causes global warming. That's why nga kinahanglan malesen ang energy consumption sa cities para nga makatabang sa environment og malikayan ang mas grabe nga climate change.